Inferiority complex or insecurity feeling. These are the major issues compared to any other issues which are faced by many human beings. Inferiority complex is actually a state of mind. It is a state of mind. Normally, whenever we try to achieve something in this world, and when we could not achieve that, whatever we thought of achieving, we feel like a failure person. Okay, once that is fine. If you have failed multiple times in your life, in many areas, if you are unable to reach the expectations of yourself or others, you feel inferior because you could not do something which you want to do. You could not live the life as per your thoughts or as per the expectations of the world. So, due to which you feel that you are nothing. You feel that you cannot do anything. That is what is actually inferiority complex is. First thing we have to understand is, in this world, we cannot always be successful. It is never possible. We cannot always be successful. Our definition of success itself is wrong, because of which we feel inferior. We feel that success means success compared to others. There is a problem. Success compared to others. We are always successful if we compare with ourselves. We are always successful if we compare with our yesterday. We can try to become successful compared to yesterday, but we should not try to become successful compared to others. That is what is the actual problem. The inferiority is coming mainly because of this competitive mindset. Competitive mindset. You are trying to compete with others and you feel that you cannot succeed. That is what is the actual root cause. You should never compete with others. Because if you try to compete with others and achieve something, tomorrow somebody else will come again in this world and they will cross you. They will go beyond you. Then you feel again inferior. That means we are working with inferiority and superiority. You feel superior when you are crossing somebody else, and you feel inferior when somebody is crossing you. When somebody is crossing you. When somebody is going beyond you. So, the superiority complex is nothing but again inferiority complex. Inferiority complex is nothing but again superiority complex. Both are one and the same. Both are different coins of the same mindset. When you feel superior, today or tomorrow, you feel inferior. That is why we should remove this competitive mindset from your mind, and you should remove your superiority complex. Then only you will be happy with yourself and you will not have inferiority complex. As long as you have superiority complex, you want to feel superior, you want to be superior to compare to anybody else in this world, today or tomorrow you will definitely become inferior. You will feel inferior. So, my dear friends, if you wanted to come out of this complex, which is very important, called as inferiority complex, first of all, remove your superiority complex. And because of inferiority complex, for many days, you might have lost energy in your mind because of lot of suffering which has created by inferiority complex. So, if you are already feeling inferior, if you want to come out of it, then what you have to do is, you have to increase your energy levels. You have to increase your energy levels because your energy dropped because of inferiority suffering. Inferiority suffering. So, if you want to come out of that permanently, you should increase your energy levels by doing meditation or yoga, something. Some way you have to find and increase your energy levels. Once you are strengthened from inside, naturally this inferiority complex will be dropped. In the same way, insecurity problem. Insecure means you are worried about future. If you are worried about somebody else in this world, you may feel that some harm may happen, because of which you are insecure. This is also again a kind of low energetic state of mind. Low energetic state of mind. If you are energetic from inside, naturally this insecurity problem will go. You are not enough. Lion will never be worried about anything in future because it is very much strong from inside. Only a weak mindset will feel insecure. A weak mindset will always have insecurity issue. So if you want to cross permanently both inferiority and insecurity, from inside you have to strengthen yourself and try to do some experiments. You try to take a lion and do some experiments on that. It may be good or bad, it may be successful or failure. You will come to know some practical things. You will come to know some practical experience. You will get some practical experience out of practicing or experimenting something. That is another way. First you have to do meditation or yoga or something to increase your energy levels and do some experiments. With the experiments you will get experience. With experience you will get confidence, self-confidence. With that naturally you go beyond inferiority complex or insecurity mindset. Try to do these things, that is meditation or practicing something, doing experiments, and be happy in your life. Thank you.